Let me first start off by asking you that all of your numbers have shown good resilience, good strength. In fact, it's only gotten better even from a margin perspective when I'm looking at it QOQ. Talk to us about what the listed journey will be like for you. What's the kind of growth roadmap that you're penciling out? And a little bit about the debt, because you are supposed to be repaying all of that post the IPO. So give us a sense as to how much of that has gone away and what impact will that have on your PAT and EPS in the coming quarters.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
And thank you for inviting me to the show. Yes, the numbers have been really good, and I think we have just started. How we see Saatvik going forward is backward integrating into cell manufacturing. Our capacity utilization has been consistently above 80%. I think we wish to continue with that. We are also foraying into inverter business. We have already EPC business. How we are building Saatvik is as integrated manufacturer as well a player in the energy space, especially the renewable energy space.